Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to LinkedIn Premium on mobile, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Look for your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon to access your profile page. Scroll down to find the Upgrade to Premium option. Tap on Upgrade to Premium to proceed. You will see different subscription levels available to choose from. Select the plan that fits your needs best. Once you've made your choice, tap on the plan for more details. Review the benefits of the chosen plan. If you're ready to proceed, tap on the Continue button. You may be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill out the required payment details accurately. After entering your payment information, tap on the Continue button again. Review your subscription details one last time. You will receive a confirmation message about your new LinkedIn Premium subscription. You can now start exploring the premium features available to you. Enjoy enhancing your LinkedIn experience with your new subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.